This is the first. We hope will be an annual undergraduate urban water innovation network undergraduate research program final student symposium. For those of you that might not know about the program, this has been an 8-week independent research experience for 10 students who've worked at 7 institutions around the United States, all of which are involved in a sustainability research network called the Urban Water Innovation Network. And UWIN is headed by Mazdak Arabi at Colorado State University, and it involves work at maybe 30 or so different institutions, each associated with one of 6 urban areas across the country. And the goal is to develop the science and policy recommendations and a blueprint for implementation of integrated water management, where all aspects of urban water are taken into account. So this is the core of the innovation involved in the UWIN project. We decided to have an undergraduate research program as part of the SRN grant from the National Science Foundation, and advertised widely last fall. We had over 260 applications for the program, which was very gratifying given it was the first year that we offered it, and we selected 10 wonderful students. I think the 10 students are from 8 different institutions. I think we have a couple students from Smith and a couple students from Hopkins, and then the rest are individuals from different universities around the country. The students started with us with a 3-day kickoff meeting at the beginning of June in Fort Collins at Colorado State, where we met each other, got to know each other, built a little bit of team and group identity, and also carried out a case study of a water issue in the Front Range of Colorado, where they have some very interesting water challenges. And so the students got to get out in the field, meet some stakeholders, and talk some social and environmental science and policy considerations, and saw how a transdisciplinary approach can be applied to understanding water in urban systems and how to work towards a more sustainable urban water system. They then went off to their respective universities. As I said, 7 schools, Princeton, UMBC, Florida International, Colorado State, Arizona State, University of Arizona, and Berkeley, and got connected to a research mentor with whom they've been working closely since then. And this is the end of the 8th week of the program, and you're about to experience the presentations of what they discovered this summer. So without further ado, I'm going to ask Ode, am I introducing the speakers, or are you going to introduce the speakers?
Well, I'm going to make the speakers the presenters first so that they can share their screen and share their presentation.